Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPJPY, British Pound, Japanese Yen for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBP JPY and this is the last traded price 150.37. If you have watched any of my other videos, then you know it very well that I hate to take position in the middle. And the simple logic is that our risk to reward ratio does not match. This is the last traded price. Let's say if you take a buy position here, then obviously your stop loss will be below the support. If this is your stop loss, then this will be your take profit target. So your risk to reward ratio does not match. Again, if you take a sell position also, your risk to reward ratio does not match. As I always say, be a trader, not a gambler. So do not trade anywhere on the chart. Okay, wait for the market to come down to your price level. Do not chase the market. Let the price come to you. So GBP JPY is right now in the middle, so this is not the ideal position to take any order. Okay, so the most important level on the chart of GBP JPY was 149.50. This was the most important level for GBP JPY for quite some time, for many months. Last week in my pro trader group we have made good profit on this particular level. Whenever market came to this level, we took buy position and we made good money. And it looks like that the support level of 149.50 is still valid. Therefore, this is our first trading opportunity till yet. Okay, so if market comes down on Monday to this particular level of 149.50, observe the market and see how the price is reacting. If you see that just like the previous time, if you find market bouncing from the support level of 149.50, you can take a buy position. That is our first trading opportunity. Clear? But if you see that market is struggling near the 149.50 level, if you see that there is huge selling pressure at 149.50, then do not take any buy call and do not execute any buy order, because support and resistance level are not permanent. Always keep in mind they are not permanent. Okay, so without proper confirmation, executing any order is very risky. So if you see that market is breaking the level of 149.50, then just avoid it. Then wait for the market to test the level of 149. 149 is the second support for GBP JPY. If market fails to bounce from the first support, let the market bounce from the second support of 149. If you find market bouncing from the second support, go for a buy. Immediately you can go for a buy, and that is our second trading opportunity. Clear? So if market comes down, 149.50 is the first level. If it bounces, well and good. If it fails, then wait for the market to come down to the second level of 149. Clear? And on the other hand, if market starts going up from here on Monday, then we have a resistance at 151 level. You can see that I have mentioned as 151.00 to 151.50. Yes, this whole level is the resistance zone for the market. In this zone, you should not be taking any buy position. It is very risky. If you're a scalper, if you have been trading for quite some time, for a long time, then you can go for buy. But beginners, new traders, those who are new to trading, you should not be taking any buy position in this level. So on Monday, if market goes up from here, then your third trading opportunity will be at the resistance. Wait for the market to reverse. If you find market is reversing from the resistance, if you find price is being rejected from above, if you see shooting star kind of a candlestick pattern, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, market is about to reverse from here, and you can take a sell position, and this is your third trading opportunity. Okay. So these are the three trading opportunities that I see on the chart of GBP JPY for Monday. If I zoom out the chart, you can see that overall the structure of the market is right now very much towards the downside, but at this moment right now the market is sideways. Okay, so as long as market is trading in this particular range, these are the best trading opportunities according to my analysis. If you think that there are some other opportunities, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. Okay, so this is it. Hopefully I've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Bye bye, take care. See ya on Monday again. And if you're interested in joining the Pro Trader program, just go to my website abhilashajarika.com. Under the Pro Trader section, you'll find all the information. Here I share signals, trading opportunities, news, updates, and many things. Every Saturday I conduct a class also where I teach on a topic. Bye bye, take care, see you on Monday.